Hello, everyone. Today we are practicing greetings and farewells with a fun word search activity. Look carefully at the puzzle. You will listen to 20 words or phrases, and you will have a few seconds to find them. If you need more time, pause the video and keep searching. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1,
Hello,
number 2,
hi,
number 3,
good morning,
number 4,
good afternoon,
number 5,
good evening,
number 6,
good night,
number 7,
all the best,
number 8,
hey there,
number 9,
nice to meet you,
number 10,
goodbye,
number 11,
bye,
number 12,
take care,
number 13,
see you tomorrow,
number 14,
see you soon,
number 15,
see you later,
number 16,
see you then,
number 17,
pleased to meet you,
number 18,
how's it going,
number 19,
have a good trip,
and number 20.
nice to see you.
This is it. Great job. Both teachers and students can get the printable worksheet and answer key in my store. Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon.